Well, there's a very popular thing happening these days, and that is being able to charge your devices, whether it be your tablet or your phone, without connecting a wire. So today we're going to show you yet another way to do that. We have the Anker PowerPort Wireless 5 charging stand.
Well, I like this. It charges at 5 watts, so it's pretty fast. And I also like that you can charge it with most cases on it as well. So some of the chargers I've used in the past, you had to take the case off your smartphone, which is kind of a pain. This one will let you have the case on the charging pad.
What's interesting about this one is that it's a stand, so you actually stand your phone on it versus laying it down on a pad and that kind of thing. What I liked about that is that as a stand, you can also use it when you're on your desk or something, and you can still see your notifications, or you can still like scroll through some content or even watch a show while your device is being charged. So that's kind of a cool feature.
Again, it's the Anker PowerPort Wireless 5 charging stand. If you've got an Android device or one of the new iPhones that support wireless charging, definitely check it out. You can get more information at anker.com.